Okay, guys, so as you can see on the screen, you can see that when I scroll down, you can see that there's a lot of people with money here. Okay, you can see a lot of people are earning a lot of money from this platform. Okay, so as you can see, this the fourth person, you can see the amount of money the fourth person is having, the amount of money the eighth person, the 10th person, the 11th person. Guys, you can see people are really cashing out from this app. Okay, as you can see on the screen yourself, guys. Okay, everything here is legit, and everything here, everything you are seeing on the screen here is like, you can see the amount of money people are making from this app. You can see the amount of money people are making from this app, and people are really making this money a day. Okay, now let me show you something that you have to know once again. Now when I click on the other side, which is the last end, you can see that a lot of people today, the money of a lot of people are making from this, and you can see this person here make $5, $5, $5, $4, $2, and you can see even yesterday the amount of money people make from this app, which is $10, $100, $40, $2. And guys, these people are making this a lot of money. So I'll show you how these people do these things very soon. Okay, guys, so you have seen the payment proof. You have seen some of the money that people are cashing out from the app. Okay, guys, this app I'm going to show you in this video is very legit app. Okay, I've done a vivid background research on it, and I can say that this app is very good. So I encourage all of you to watch the video to the end. And also, this app is worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, it doesn't matter your country, your location, or it doesn't even matter the device you're using. You can be using iPhone, you can be using Android phone, like okay, yeah, but it still work for you. So I encourage all of you to watch the video to the end. And also, if you have any question for me, comment below and let me know your biggest problem. That might say, let's just go to the reason why you're here. Okay, guys, so there will be a link in the description box below. All that you need to do is click on that link, and when you click on this link, to bring you to a place that look like this. Okay, it will take you to a place that you download the app. After you have downloaded the app, you click on the app and you install the app on your phone. It will bring you to a place that look like this. Okay, it's an app. Yeah, it's an app that it will be on your phone. Now they're asking us to sign with our Facebook or our Google account, as you can see, and they also have more options. But in this video, I recommend you signing up with your Google account. But you can also go ahead if you're having any Facebook account or you want to link any other account. You can even go ahead with that. But for the tutorial of this video, I'm going to go with my Google account, as you can see on the screen. So I just click on my Google account, and it seems like it's loading, so I have to wait for it small before it to load. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load. Okay, it's loading. Just wait for it to load. Okay, boom, guys, after this have loaded, you can see that it's bringing to a place that look like this, and I have to claim my free reward. Okay, so if you use my link, the description box below, you'll be given a free reward. Okay, that's the reason why I say you should use the link in the description box below. And after I click on the redeem points, they have increased the points for me that I have there, and I can even click on got it. And guys, they are going to even now here. The first thing you're going to do here is just what are things that you're going to do when you log in for the first time. So there you are required to spin your first spinner. As you can see, a spinner here, day 1, day 2, day 3, every day can come here and come and spin here and make a free money. So let me just spin myself. Let's pray that I will make a good money here. You can see one is $1, some is 5 cents. So I'll just click on a spin. Okay, boom, guys, as you can see, wow, I've won my one successfully in this video. You can see. Okay, now they're telling me that before I can withdraw unless I reach $10. So let me just click understood. So you can see at the top there I have some $1 there. Yes, right now I have cashed in $1 right now, as you can see. So guys, this app is very legit. Okay, now they're even asking me to redeem more things. You can see the moment that you use my link, these are the benefits that you're going to get when you use my link. You just be claiming this free money. You can see I just claim a free money now, and I will just claim a free coin right now here, and click on the claim. The coins will claim. Okay, guys, so these are some of the opportunities that you get when you are using my link in the description box below. As you can see, these are the things that we'll be doing here. You play game and you earn points. Okay, the point is what we are going to convert to a money. Okay, and sorry if I'm talking fast on this video, okay, because other people have complained that I'm talking fast, but I don't want to make the video too long. That's why, so I'm very sorry for that. So after I'm clicking on the game, but I'm not here to play the game. Okay, you can see that loading the game, but I'm going to go back. Okay, now let me explain something to you real quick. Okay, so guys, this is how the interface of the app look like. You can see there's a lot of things here. You can see the amount of prize that you're going to win when you are very consistent on this app, as you can see. But before that, let me show you something that you need to know. Let me just go to Play Store. Let me just go to where I install the app. Let me show you something real quick. Like, this app is very guys, that's the app there. Now when you come to the reviews, of this app, let me just show you the reviews real quick. You can see that people are really commenting on this app. This girl said, I got my first withdrawal after 2 weeks of playing, which was a total of $11.50. As you can see, this girl here is cashing up, and the other person said it's a good app and the game are great, but sometimes, okay, that is what the issue. Okay, I want to say is game. This one says, thank you game, I just got my first $10 today. As you can see, this app is very working. You can come here and read the reviews yourself. Okay, so that's some of the reviews I have to know. Now let's just go back to the app. Let me just show you something real quick. let's just go back to the app. Let me just show you something real quick. Like guys, this I really love this app. So I think when you spend a lot of time here, guys, you're going to make a lot of money, because people are making $10 from this app daily. So I recommend this app to you. Okay, I recommend this app to you guys. Before we forget to, you can even get free phone. Okay, you can say you know withdraw, but you want your phone or you want any other thing, which you contact them, and guys, they're going to ship it for you for free. You can see you have a lot of games here. You can see you have a lot of games here that you play, that you win the point or you redeem the points. After that, you have redeemed the points, you change into money, as you can see on the screen. Now the second place is the prices. So you can see these are the prices, some of the prices that you get. You can get a free money. You can even get, as I said, a phone. Okay, in case you want to redeem a phone, in case you want to get a cool cash, in case you want to get anything. Okay, guys, you come here and withdraw. As you can see today's spin, a lot of people are making money from the spin, as you can see on the screen here right now. That somebody just won $5 from just the spin, and guys, people are cashing out a lot here. Okay, there's a lot of money here that you are going to make. Okay, and guys, there's a lot of games and opportunities here that you can come and do and make a lot of money. As you can see, I'm trying to explain everything into details for you. On the screen, you can see these are some of the games or some of the tickets that you need to do or you need to buy. Okay, you need to buy, and they will also give you a point. Okay, but we are not here for anything. Okay, guys, we are not going to spend any money here. There's no need for us spending any money here. Okay, so real quick, let me just go to the winners. Let me show you. You can see these are the winners of the game. These are the people who are winning, and these are the people who are making a lot of money from the game. And you can see my name there, Shapiro. I just created a new account with you, and you can see the money I just make right now. So guys, within some 2 minutes, you can see the money I may just make $1. So you imagine spending like hour to this app, guys. You're going to make a lot of money from this app. And you can see these people here, they're not faking anything. Okay, there's nothing to fake here. This money here are real money. Okay, these people are making a real money from here. So I encourage all of my subscribers to take good use of this app, and they are also going to make a lot of money here. Okay, now let me just go to what the last winners. You're going to see that people are winning a lot of money. You can see just today now, people are winning $5, $4, and guys, even they didn't end yet. Okay, this is the beginning of the day, and you can see the amount of money people are earning. So imagine even in the 24 hours, they are going to get ×2 of those money because of the effort that they are putting in. You can see yesterday the amount of money people withdraw, and guys, the moment that you reach $10, you can withdraw your money. Okay, guys, the money can be withdrawable. Some people will be commenting that, okay, I said you have reached the $10, but you can't withdraw. Guys, this platform will make you withdraw the money. There's no excuse you using this platform. So I recommend this platform to you. Okay, this is the best platform that I've seen so far, even though I have a lot of platform where you can play game and win. But guys, I recommend this platform to everybody who are there looking for a way to make money online. Guys, okay, you can also spin again. You can also spin. So I'll go and try now. If you want to spin, the only thing you need to do is what? But before that, you can even refer your friends. You can refer your friends. When you refer your friends will be what? You get 0.10 cents and what? 500 tickets for every friend that you have referred. So I also can encourage you that you can refer your friends to the app, and you're going to earn 10 cents for every friend that you have brought in. Okay, so guys, this app is very legit. So I'll just go to the top. Let me just show you how you can be spinning every day, in case you want to be spinning every day. What you like doing is spinning. So when you're here, you can just click on the spin now. When you click on the spin now, as you can see on the screen here, when you click on it, take the spin. Now they say I get 2 more spins. That means you're going to watch adverts. Okay, you're going to watch adverts. After the advert, then what you do after the advert, they will open another platform for you, or they will allow you to what to spin again, which you can win your money again. So the advert is going to read for 30 seconds. Okay, so you have to watch the advert for 30 seconds, after which you have to end the advert and go and spin again. So I'll just wait for this advert to end real quick. So let's just wait for the advert. But I hope by now all of you have gotten a clear understanding of this app. If you have get a clear understanding, guys, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I post tips about how to make money online. So I think that's the end of the video. So I'm just waiting for the exit sign to come. Okay, you can see that there's something written at the top there, 1 2 3. Okay, so I have to what? The exit sign will come down. I have to exit. I have to go back. Okay, so let me just, okay, you can see it's there. So I'll just click on it real quick. Now you see what I should spin again. Okay, so that's the only thing that you need to do in a day. You spin 3 times a day. So let me just spin, guys. Let's play that win. Okay, guys, so I still win a lot of money, as you can see on the screen here. I still won a lot of money, guys. So this app is very good. Okay, this app is very good. You just be spinning and be making a lot of money from here, guys. There's nothing much you can do here to spin and get a lot of money. So in case you want to do it again, you just click on it again, where you watch another video, you watch another ad. If you watch another ad, then you can spin again. So Guys, I encourage all of you, and I want all of you to make a lot of money here. And comment below, okay? Comment below and let me know the amount of money that you have made on this app. So without much I say, this is my channel here. My name is Shapura Sid. I record video about how to make money online. And guys, if you are somebody there who is up there who is looking for a way to make money online, I encourage all of you to click on the bell icon below to be notified that I drop more videos about how to make money online. And also give me a like or you think that what I'm doing is very good. See you on my next video. I think that's all I have for you. I'm out.